How to stretch videos in CapCut. If any day any of you are a CapCut user and you would like to stretch your videos in CapCut but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very CapCut application on your mobile device. You have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search CapCut there. After you search CapCut there, now you can find the very CapCut application. You have to tap on that. After you tap on the CapCut application, CapCut will be launched on your mobile device. After CapCut is launched on your mobile device, now you have to follow the next steps. That is, now you have to search a video on your very mobile device that you'd like to stretch in the CapCut. That will be called as a project on your very CapCut. So if you see an interface like this, you can go back like this once again and cut it. And after that, you can go to the option of the new project. Now, after you tap on the option of the new project, now you have to select a video from your very mobile device that you'd like to stretch. Now, after you tap on any of the video like this that you would like to stretch, now you have to go to the option of add. After you go to the option of add, now you can see the next interface like this. After you see the next interface like this, now what you have to do is you have to tap on the very video like this, and then you have to search the next option. That is, you have to search the option of you can just increase the speed, or you can just, since we would like to stretch it, now what we can do is we can just decrease the speed of this. So for that, what we can do is we can go back like this, and here we can find the option of the speed there. So we have to go to the option of speed like this. Now here the option is normal and the curve. You can set it to normal like this, and then you can just increase or decrease the speed. Since we would like to stretch it, we have to decrease the speed like this and go to the option of tick. So this way our video will be stretched, and this way we can save it and it will be done. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.